जलवा है हमारा यार. It's all crazy यार, and it's happy crazy. It's people wanted it. My fans, audiences, our fans, audiences, they want it. Please let's just give it to them. उनको मजा आएगा. Let them relish it. Hello everyone, this is me Divyendu, and you're watching E Times.
Devyendu, you're going to be seen in Manish Malhotra's first venture as a producer. So are you wearing Manish Malhotra right now?
I am, yes sir, head to toe.
I thought नहीं दिया होगा आपको कपड़े.
नहीं ऐसे वो तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखवाया था मैंने.
Okay. Now, if you see the last 15-18 months of your career, you had Railwayman, you had Madgaon Express, you had Agni, which was announced recently. Now, and you have Sali Mohabbat also premiering at IFFI right now. How is the feeling right now? Because it's literally going everywhere. There's Mirzapur also announcement came very past in few weeks. How is Divyendu going treating everything right now?
Dude, it's going like you can hear the dholes outside. It's happening in my life, you know. It's happening in my mind. It's happening in my heart. It's all celebration time. I think कहीं ना कहीं जो इतनी मेहनत करी इतने सालों से, God finally said कि okay, let's do this. You know, yeah, let me give you something you would cherish for the rest of your life. So I'm really happy. I'm really happy that different kind of work is coming out. I'm really happy that people are liking it, appreciating it. All good.
Okay. So you began with Liquid in Pyar Ka Panchnama. I would really want to see you back in Pyar Ka Panchnama. How do you look back at the character? Because I still remember, because this reminds me of Patta, which you spoke about in the film.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I mean, it might be interesting to revisit the character, but I don't know. Let's see if it happens. Yeah. But I mean, Liquid was a really hard character to crack, यार. तो उसको दोबारा करने का सोच के ही ना मुझे डर लगता है. Yeah.
Okay. But you know, it did take you a while from Liquid to come to Munna. How was that phase in between?
The phase was somewhat not really pleasant all the time, because क्योंकि मैं अपने आप से भी पूछता था कि why is it that I'm feeling this, you know, because I'm get to work with good filmmakers, you know, I'm making good money, but still what is it? And then I realized that I think I like to be a different person in every film I do. Mostly. हर एक में तो नहीं हो सकता, कुछ similarities भी होंगे. But वो एक चीज़ थी कहीं ना कहीं जो मुझे तंग कर रही थी, that you know there is this other side of me as an actor that I want to showcase to my audiences and to myself as well. वो मिर्ज़ापुर से पूरा हुआ, and thankfully मिर्ज़ापुर opened a Pandora box for me, you know, and now different characters are coming, different films are coming, filmmakers, studios, so I'm really thankful. Yeah.
You know, so if I look at your career, I think there are three characters which I really like. Which are yours. One is Liquid, yes. One is Munna. One is Munna, yeah. And third is Doda from Madgaon. Dodo. Yeah. Because the third one, it was so different from Munna.
Yeah.
And how did you shift there?
I mean, it's our job, yeah, as actors, you know, to do it. And see, comedy mein na, it's very important that the script has to be good, has to be kadak, you know. And you know, Kunal wrote that kind of script. Excel as a production house, when they back something, you know, they really back it. So that confidence was there that it's going to be a good project. You know, all the good actors, technicians, all coming together. Only then a film becomes a good film. So it was lovely to, you know, to navigate through Dodo. Because again, it was a crazy character, but maza aaya wo karne mein.
To do comedy and to make a fool of yourself, it's really a bigger challenge because you're coming from Munna, who took everything seriously.
Yeah, I know. And you know, also, like, my audiences, now they want to see me in a heroic, you know, more that kind of a role and everything. So to break it again, तो it's get little scary also कि यार ये कर रहे हैं, लोगों को पसंद आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. But I just want to say thanks to everyone out there, you know, to all my fans, friends, followers, to all of them, that they judge me on what I do, you know, they respect it, they enjoy it. तो वो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. मैं दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ आप सबका, एंड आई डोंट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं हर प्रोजेक्ट से कुछ एक नई चीज़ लेके आऊँ. इफ़ अ पर्सन सीज के अच्छा इस प्रोजेक्ट में दिव्येंदु भी है, देन ही और शी शुड नो कि कुछ अलग होने वाला है. दैट इज़, ये मेरी चाहत है.
You know, as you said, when Excel backs a project, the biggest project I can think of Excel is you. Because they really have given you a lot of opportunities and very different opportunities. So how is your equation, Farhan and Ritesh?
Oh, they're both lovely people, yaar, and they both just I mean, दे वर्क ऑन मेरिट. सबसे अच्छी बात ये है दे डोंट हैव एनी प्री कंसीव नोशंस अबाउट एनीवन. सो वो बहुत मज़ा आता है करने में. एंड दे रियली respect you as an artist, what you want to say. They respect your voice, what you want to say. It's very democratic there, is what I really like. It's not like one big boss sitting, at a big studio. No, nothing like that. I really like that. It's a very friendly vibe we have with each other, but a lot of respect.
How much can you reveal about Mirzapur, the film right now? Because everyone, first people were not believing that you died.
Yeah.
There were theories about कि you will come back like Jon Snow. भाई वापस आएगा ये उड़ के आएगा कहीं से उड़ के आएगा. And then you said no, you're not in part 3. You are not in part 3. And then there is a movie coming up where you are right now. So how is it?
Yeah, it's all crazy, yaar, and it's happy crazy. It's people wanted it, and now they'll have it. We are giving it to them, and बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. There are very few projects जिसमें you do it for your audiences. मेरे जैसा इंसान, I'm a very selfish artist. I do it for myself. I don't do it for anyone else. But Mirzapur is one such project where जब फिल्म की बात हुई तो I said yes. My fans, audiences, our fans, audiences, they want it. Please let's just give it to them. उनको मज़ा आएगा. Let them relish it. So it's in the works. कहानी जितनी मैंने सुनी है वो बहुत मज़ेदार है. ज़्यादा कुछ मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत अर्ली स्टेज पे है. लेकिन हाँ, we are reaching there. People will like it.
There's a chill down my spine right now to see you back as Munna. But really, but which is the biggest or the most favorite Munna meme that you've used or seen? Like the one which I have seen is like अभी को decide नहीं किया है, सोचते हैं.
Immediately, हाँ या नहीं सोचे हैं, वो करेंगे. हाँ, वो बहुत फेमस है. एक जो मैंने सोचा नहीं था इतना बड़ा हिट बनेगा वो है जलवा है हमारा. उसके बहुत मीम्स बनते हैं तो वो भी बहुत फेमस है. देन लाल फूल नीला फूल मुन्ना भैया ब्यूटीफुल, वो बहुत चलता है. एक वो 10 रुपए की पेप्सी मुन्ना भैया सेक्सी, वो बहुत चलता है. देर आर, आई मीन,
pop culture now.
seriously, and people are so creative. मतलब वो memes मुझे पढ़ के इतना मज़ा आता है because they're genuinely funny. और मैं सोचता हूँ कि कैसे लिखा यार, इनको फिल्म्स में लेके आओ, इनसे कुछ डायलॉग्स लिखवाते हैं. So I mean, yeah, hats off to you guys.
Okay. Now you worked with Tiska Chopra for the first time. As I think your first female director also. If I don't remember, I think you're your first female director as well. So is there a difference in approach? A, because she's a female, and second, she's also an actor.
नहीं यार, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा. I think as an actor, yes. I mean, you could see some things that she would tell you as an actor, how to approach it. But I think very early on she realized that she is not an actor anymore. She's a director, so she stepped back. But it was lovely to see her growth from an actor to a director.
Devendra, thank you so much for your time, and I'm loving the growth you have as an actor and as a star in the industry right now.
Thank you so much, my man. Thank you.